order to determine an individual's body mass index, you must first record an accurate height and weight for that person. To begin measuring height, you must have a stadiometer. If you do not have access to this equipment, you may use a measuring stick taped to the wall, but be sure that it's positioned correctly. For an accurate height, you must first remove your shoes. Then you can step onto the platform of the stadiometer facing outward. Make sure the person is standing completely upright. Carefully lower the height indicator so that it lightly touches the top of their head. The height will be visible on the bar, and you should record that number in feet and inches.
Your height is the first number you will need to record BMI. The next number you will need is weight. To measure weight, you should remove your shoes. And also anything heavy from your pockets, such as wallets, phones, and keys. Also remove any extra clothing, such as a jacket, sweatshirt, or sweater, and any heavy jewelry. Step on the scale with both feet and with hands at your sides. Remain still and stand completely upright until your weight is recorded. Once you have height and weight recorded, there are a few ways to go about determining BMI. The first is to plug height and weight into one of many online BMI calculators. The Lean Team website is a great resource that has a few links to some of these calculators. Another way to calculate BMI is by hand using the BMI equation displayed here. BMI can be interpreted by looking on the Lean Team website or by following this chart. A normal adult BMI is 18.5 to 24.9. Although BMI is calculated the same way for children and adults, when interpreting BMI for anyone under 18, you must take their age and gender into account. This is because the amount of body fat changes with age and also differs between girls and boys. Because of these factors, BMI for anyone under 18 should be plotted on an age and sex-specific growth chart. You are now ready to record your BMI.
Now we're going to talk to you about body fat percentages. A body fat percentage is the portion of your fat-free mass as compared to your total body weight. The other portion is called your fat-free body mass, which consists of blood, bone, muscle, and water.
One of the ways to measure body fat percentage is through a handheld fat loss monitor, such as this. When held correctly, this monitor can display your body fat percentage through the bioelectrical impedance method, and it also displays your BMI.
The bioelectrical impedance method sends a very low electric current through your body to detect your body fat percentage. Your body fat has less water content than the rest of your body, so this current travels slower through your fat.
To determine your percent body fat using the monitor, first press the on/off button. The guest symbol will start to flash. Press the set button for guest, and you will then be prompted to enter in your personal data. Select your personal profile number from 1 to 9 by using the up or down buttons, and then press the set button again.
To set height, press the up or down buttons until you find your height, which will be displayed in feet and inches. Press the set button. To set weight, press the up and down buttons until you find your correct weight. Press the set button. You can reset the height and weight by holding down the up and down buttons at the same time.
To set your age, press the up or down buttons until your correct age appears. Press the set button. It will then prompt you to enter your gender. Press the up or down button to select male or female. Press the set button again. All personal data should now be saved.
Once you finish entering in your personal data, the Ready indicator will appear. You are now ready to take your percent body fat measurement.
First, stand with both feet slightly apart. Place both hands on the monitor by gripping the metal electrodes. Thumbs should be resting on the top of the monitor. Once you are gripping the monitor correctly, straighten your arms to a 90-degree angle to your body. It is important to stay completely still during the measurement. You may then press the start indicator and the monitor will automatically begin the measurement. Once the measurement is complete, your body fat percentage will appear in the top bar, and your BMI number and classification will appear in the bottom bar.
Shown here are the body fat ranges for adults. Find your gender and age range on the left-hand side and find your BMI range at the top. You will then be able to determine the standard range of body fat for your gender, age, and BMI.